Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Smart Tech Vlogs. In this video, we are going to discuss how to install GB WhatsApp on a particular Android device. So GB WhatsApp is an extended version of WhatsApp in which it got many useful features in it. So unless like a normal WhatsApp, it contains many features like hiding a status scene, also let you upload status more than 30 seconds, etc. So it also helps us in modifying our WhatsApp. So to get started, to get install this particular GB WhatsApp, you need to go to Chrome and you just go to the site I give you. So it's an fmmodes.com. So once you get into the site, you will get some pop-ups due to ad policies of the particular website. So once you get into the website, you just click on this particular bar. So once you click that, you will go to this particular fm WhatsApp. You just scroll down until you find an download option. So once you come to the download section, here you will have whether you need to add it as an original WhatsApp or else you need to add it as a separate package name. So I suggest you to add it as an original WhatsApp because it lets you add much more stickers and all from other apps. So once you get into this area, you just click on this download. So once you get into the download section, you'll find many options like a mega drive and all. So I'll let you know. So here we have two options. One is download and second is mirror. So click on download option. So once you click on download option, your GB WhatsApp will start downloading. Once you get download, you need to uninstall the original WhatsApp if you have, and then you need to also take care of your data backup because your particular data will be erased completely. So once you get this download option, you here your download is being going on. So once you're done with that download option, you just install that particular WhatsApp. So after that, you just open your WhatsApp. I'll just show you. So these are the many options we are going to get. So if we see further, it can freeze the last scene. It can also open anti ones, if someone only send you a message for once, you can see it for many times, and it can also anti-delete the status. So like if someone posts that status and if they delete that, even it will show for you. So it has much more features about this particular GB WhatsApp. So it can also contain themes. You can download most of themes from it and you can just apply it like that. So also you can modify the conversation screen, along with that home screen, everything it contains around 150 plus customizations you can do. So I am going to make a particular separate video on how to customize our particular WhatsApp. So it will take much more time, so just be waited and keep subscribed to our channel. And thank you for watching guys. Please do subscribe and share.